This is a tutorial on how to use the GIST reading strategy. The GIST reading strategy is a strategy used to improve reading comprehension. When it comes to reading, you've probably heard that it's important to read material more than once. Well, it's best to use this reading strategy the first time you read a text. Basically, you're summarizing or identifying main ideas of a text as you read it. So how do you do this? First, you need to divide your reading into small chunks. Sometimes this can be done by chunking sentences, and sometimes you can chunk individual or multiple paragraphs. Second, after reading a chunk of text, write the main idea next to it using 10 words or less. Continue the process throughout your reading of the remaining text. Once the text has been read in its entirety, you can then write a short summary by combining the main ideas you've already written. And that's it. It is a simple yet effective strategy for reading comprehension. Thanks for watching.